Hello everyone. Are you tired of suffering from acne breakouts? Today we will be discussing some home remedies that can help with acne treatment. Stay tuned. Over 100 million people in the United States alone suffer from acne, and it is one of the most common skin conditions treated by dermatologists. Acne is a skin condition that occurs when hair follicles are blocked with excess oil and bacteria, resulting in pimples, redness, and swelling. The severity of acne can range from mild to severe, and it can have a significant impact on a person's self-esteem and mental health. While there are many over-the-counter and prescription medications available to treat acne, there are also a number of natural home remedies that may be effective as well. These remedies include changes to your diet, lifestyle, and skincare routine that can help reduce inflammation and get rid of acne faster. Before we begin, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Also, this video is for educational purposes only, so do speak to your doctor if you have any medical concerns. Let's look at 6 natural home remedies for acne scars. Honey and cinnamon. Honey has been used for centuries for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Applying honey to the affected area can help reduce redness and swelling and promote healing. Cinnamon also has antibacterial properties that can be beneficial in treating acne. Mix a small amount of cinnamon powder with honey to form a paste and apply it to the affected area for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and polyphenols that can help reduce inflammation and oxidative damage caused by acne. You can apply a cool compress of green tea bags to the affected area for 10 to 15 minutes several times a day to help soothe and calm the skin. You can also drink green tea regularly to get the full benefit. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a popular natural remedy for acne due to its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Apply a thin layer of aloe vera gel to the affected area for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing. This can help reduce redness and swelling and promote healing. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a natural exfoliant that can help remove dead skin cells and unclog pores. It also has antibacterial properties that can be helpful in treating acne. However, it's important to dilute apple cider vinegar with water before using it on your skin. To avoid irritation, you can start by applying a 50/50 solution of apple cider vinegar and water to the affected area using a cotton swab. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing thoroughly with lukewarm water. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a natural antiseptic and anti-inflammatory agent that can be effective in treating acne. Dilute a few drops of tea tree oil with a carrier oil, such as jojoba oil, and apply it to the affected area using a cotton swab. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is important for overall skin health and can help flush toxins out of the body. Dehydration can lead to dry skin and acne breakouts, so it's important to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses of water per day and monitor your skin for any improvements. While these home remedies may be helpful in treating acne, it is important to remember that everyone's skin is different and what works for one person may not work for another. It is also important to be consistent with your skincare routine and follow these remedies regularly for several weeks to see results. If you have severe or persistent acne, it is important to consult a healthcare professional who can provide a proper diagnosis and recommend appropriate treatment options. Do you find this video informative or helpful? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy.